Multiply 105 by 3.5 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 0 plus the carried 2 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5. The first partial product is 525. Now use the next digit to the left, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 0 plus the carried 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. The second partial product is 3150. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 2 plus 5 is 7. In the hundreds column, 5 plus 1 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 3. The product of the whole numbers is 3675. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 3675 becomes 367.5. So 105 times 3.5 is 367.5.